is your lighter runs out of fuel again, but you don't want to buy another one. Well, there is a solution for that, which is hydrogen. And because of its nice combustion and most cleanest burning properties, it might be the future fuel for our vehicles. But how we are going to get hydrogen? Well, there are many tutorials videos on YouTube to produce hydrogen, but in this video, we are going to use a very simple reaction to obtain some hydrogen, which you might learn in your school textbook. Yes, you guess it right. We are going to use base and metal reaction to produce hydrogen. And if you are asking to me that why I am using base instead of using acid, then my simple answer will be that base is cheaper than acid and base is base. To obtain hydrogen from this reaction, you just need to fill a cup with some base. Believe me, it is not my juice. Add some bits of aluminium. The reaction will start immediately, and it is going to start producing hydrogen. And after complete reaction, the only things that are going to remain is some salt and remaining base. But we can't work with that or do some experiments with it. So I'm going to create a little system to produce and direct the flow of hydrogen by tubes to work with it. To make that, we need these things. To start things up, I'm going to create a hole for the control valve and stick it on the cap with some adhesive. Now, I am going to insert a normal valve and empty sketch body on the cap and make it airtight by applying adhesive. After some hours, when the adhesive becomes dry, I'm going to screw both caps on the bottle. After that, I am going to connect both bottle by some tubings. I am also going to secure the tube from leaking from the valve by a metal screw ties. After that, I am going to insert another part of the tube to small bottle. It is almost done now. Here I am going to fill base into the bigger bottle and cold water in small bottle. To test that is it working, I'm going to put an aluminium piece into the bigger bottle. I think it's definitely working now. Well, we know that it is working. Let's do some neighbor trolling. To do that, I am going to fill this balloon with some hydrogen. Here is another one. I think that's enough trolling for now. Well, I also tried to run my DIY burner with it, but it did not went that well. And it melted my acrylic tube and created a crater on my mat. I also tried to create a bottle rocket filled with only hydrogen, and it didn't disappointed me. But when I tried that with the mixture of air and hydrogen, this happened.
Oh my God!
There is one thing that I want to say to all of you guys, that there are more than 40 videos on this channel. But I never said anyone to subscribe, but there are 246 people who subscribe my channel, and I think these subscribers are just not my viewers, they are my family members, and I will always be thankful to you guys because all of you understand my need. And now I am asking to you that you want to be my family member. And if you want to support me economically, you can become my patron, which I gave a link in description. It is going to help me in my rough time. Now back to the video. I also tried to find the flow rate of the hydrogen, which is 46 seconds for filling 250 milliliters, and it is more than an average lighter